Hello, welcome back to another episode. For those who already know me, thanks for coming back, and for those who don't, my name's Daryl and I'm the owner of Bristol Clear Polishing. So in this episode we're going to be doing this Kia Niro. This is in for our Wax is Dead 5-year package where we use the Supreme product 2.0, the new one. There's been quite a lot to do on this. Obviously there's a lot of piano black on it. These were quite badly marked. There was a lot of swirl marks and damage on those. We've got most of that out. There's a heck of a lot of contamination on there as well, so we've also got that out. You'll see that in a moment. We've done an interior clean on it. We haven't filmed that. It's not really what we do, sort of thing. We do interior cleaning, but it's not really something we would film, so we haven't filmed that. The glass has been ceramics, the paint ceramics, the piano black ceramics, all the textured areas on the front and the rear are also ceramic. This car has been protected with the Wax is Dead 5-year package. As always, if you haven't already, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you've got any questions, leave them down below in the comment box and I'll get back to you. Otherwise, you can reach out to us on our webpage, Instagram, WhatsApp or Facebook. This is detailing done properly. My name's Daryl. You can sit back, relax and let me do all the hard work. Right, so even though this is a newer vehicle, I can see even when the vehicle's wet there's quite a lot of iron fallout on this. So before we actually get to the wash stage, I'm going to put some fallout remover on it. Then we're going to put the snow foam over the top, and then obviously the two will work together to clean and remove the fallout. Fallout is contaminants. It's iron particles that sit on your paint, then they start to corrode, which causes oxidization, and then obviously that's what makes them bigger, and that's when you start to notice them. So iron fallout can come from anything. It can be industrial, like say if you worked in an industrial area, there's a lot of metalworks and things going on. It can be if you're parked next to a main road or a busy road, there's a lot of braking happening, so brake dust, obviously that's iron. It can be a multitude of things. It can be anything. Every single purple dot that you can see on this vehicle is a piece of iron contamination. So obviously by doing this, we're dissolving the oxidization around the actual mineral itself, the iron particle. Then when we wash it, hopefully it'll come out. If not, then obviously we're clay bar it. So I'll just give you a close-up of this. So all of these purple dots that you can see, this is all iron contaminants. So by putting the iron remover on there, the fallout remover, that is dissolving these particles. Right, so today is another day and the Kia is ready for coatings. So today what I'm going to do, now the paint's been left to rest overnight, today I am going to use the Wax is Dead cleaner, which is an IPA based product as previously explained. So this will remove any greases, any oils, anything left over from the polishing stage. Once we've done that, we're going to get the Wax is Dead Supreme on here, which is a 5-year coating. It is the 2.0, so it's the new version of it. Once we've done that, then we'll leave that to cure overnight and then be back tomorrow to do all the finishing touches and final footage, and then we can get it out the door. So anyway, as always, if you haven't already, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you've got any questions, put them down below. This is Detailing Done Properly. Sit back, relax, and let me do all the hard work. Right, so that's all the lower parts of the vehicle cleaned. Now I'm going to get the vehicle down on the ground. We'll do the roof, the bonnet, the windows and the boot lid. Once we've done that, then we'll start off with the ceramic coatings. Right, so now the bodywork's ceramics, we're going to do the glass. Once the glass is done, then the car is going to sit for 12 to 24 hours and cure. We still need to clean the interior as well. So we're using the same ceramic on the glass as what we've used on the paint. We like to keep everything as uniform as possible. We do charge extra for this. We haven't in this case, but usually we do. Just because it's a lot more, this coating's a lot more durable than the glass coating. So depending on the size of the vehicle, how much we've got left, because we do try and use one bottle per vehicle. So there's no issues with shelf lives and how long things have been open for. You can see previous owner of this vehicle fell for the old SuperGuard scam. That sticker left behind more glue than what coating there was on the paintwork. And that is how we protect a vehicle for 5 years using Wax's Dead Supreme. As always, this is Detailing Done Properly. My name's Daryl. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you on the next one.